Hi everyone, today I have the On Cloud 5 sneakers in all white. Here's the box. I have 7.5 size. Pretty quick and easy shoe unboxing. Here's the first shoe. Here's the second shoe. Let's take out some of this material. We have the second packaging material. Let's take a look at the shoe. So there's nothing else in here. It's a very lightweight shoe. My initial impression of the shoe is just, I'm very impressed with how lightweight it is. It has some nice grip on here on the bottom, good texture to prevent any slips. What really attracted me to this shoe is not only the style, but its slip-on nature, how I don't have to worry about tying laces or sitting down just to find a spot to make sure my laces look good and have them all tied up. You can just slip these shoes on, yet they still look like sneakers and not slip-ons. All right, let's give them a try. All right, I'm gonna slip my foot into the shoe to see how well it slips on. Oh wow, that's pretty impressive. I didn't have to bend down or anything. Let's do it again for this side. Okay. Awesome. So they feel really good. In terms of sizing, I'm normally a 7.5, and I think that these are a little snug, but I don't know if I would have enough room here to size up to an 8. I think that would be a little bit too big for me. But I think as I wear them, maybe they'll kind of break in a little bit. They don't really require any break-in period, but maybe they'll stretch out. So very comfortable, kind of hopping. They have really good support. I'm very impressed. They look very cute. I got the white color because I assumed it would just match a lot, and I like how it's very neutral. Let me walk close. You can see how I walk back. These would make a great gift for yourself, but also for anybody who just doesn't want to like deal with shoelaces, but also likes a sneaker that looks very modern and fashionable. It provides good comfort. I am impressed with the technology that they use to create the shoe, and I think the sole has some good support. When I'm hopping around, I don't feel like anything hurts on my joints or on my foot. So this is very cute. Let me take the shoes off because I know that's a huge thing. You don't want to bend down and always take off your shoes. So here, my sock kind of slipped off there, but I'm slipping them off very easily. Let's put them back on just to test this out again. Yeah, very cool. So yeah, 2 times in a row, I didn't have to really deal with any laces. These are already kind of stitched together and very comfortable. I'm really impressed in these shoes. If you have any questions, comment down below. But other than that, I hope this helps you. Here in the box, there's also a pair of laces in case you wanted to use the shoe as a more traditional sneaker and lace up.